Hello and welcome to Crypto Insights, where we teach you about crypto. My name is Thomas and I'm the host of this channel. This week we will discuss Quant. Quant is not a blockchain, but it's a software that provides interoperability of blockchains. That means that one blockchain can work with the other. For example, you have company A that works on Cardano, you have company B that works on Ethereum. Those blockchains are completely different, the same way as that Microsoft has its own system and Apple has its own system. You need interoperability. Those systems need to be able to work together. So that is the solution that Quant is offering. Quant has a very experienced team that I will discuss in this video. So with that said, let's jump into this week's video. So this is the main webpage. It's quant.network, connecting all the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth. Here it's even explained more clearly. Quant team Overledger DLT. DLT stands for Distributed Ledger Technology. DLT Gateway has game-changing implications for the world of distributed ledgers. Why? Because it delivers interoperability across systems, networks, and DLTs. Securely, simply, and cost effectively, without the need for a new infrastructure or introducing bottlenecks. By removing the barriers to interoperability, Overledger helps you to create a whole new world of possibilities. So to summarize it quickly for you in a basic, so Quant is not a blockchain. Quant is really an application that puts blockchains in communication with each other. Imagine you have one client that works with Cardano and another client that works with Ethereum. Those systems cannot work with each other. So one option that they could have is use Polkadot, where they bridge, where they have to put all their information on Polkadot in order to communicate with each other. But what Quant does is really being an API. An API is just a software that connects one blockchain with the other. So they are directly able to communicate, which is way more efficient than, for example, Polkadot. So that is an easy way of explaining what Quant does. So again, it's not a blockchain, it's a technology that makes a connection between two blockchains. And they call it Overledger. Then we go to the solutions that they provide. So one of their solutions is Overledger Enterprise. This is for the simplest scenario. Customers use the Quant hosted and managed Overledger gateway. So this is mostly for individual people or small companies. Then there is Overledger Enterprise. That is for those who need one more control. We also offer Overledger for cloud environments. This provides the one-button installation on an AWS or Oracle cloud infrastructure. AWS obviously is Amazon. So they offer different products for different clients, which I really like to see. Then there is Overledger Enterprise Customer Service Edition, where we can also install Overledger in your own data center. So it takes them a little bit more work, and therefore it will probably be priced differently, and that's why it's a different package with full 24/7 support and extensive testing. Then the last package, which is Overledger Enterprise Marketplace Edition. These development instances of Overledger are able through the AWS Marketplace, Oracle Cloud early 2021, and will be available through other cloud marketplaces in 2022. So that is the biggest service that they offer. So if I really look at this, where they are actually more like subscription based in this case, they really try to replace the whole system of Microsoft or Mac, the MacBook system. The Apple system, sorry. So they're really a different type of project, and that's what I really like about it. Then we go to the team, which this is the team with Gilbert Virion as the main responsible, as CEO. I couldn't get a lot of information from the description because it just said that they are experienced without really the proof. So that's why I dug into it myself. And if we go to Gilbert's LinkedIn, which is a platform that I use to check someone's experience, I was really amazed with the CV that he has. It's really perfect for being in this industry. So currently he's the CEO. He's already the CEO for 3 years and 11 months. So he's already been working on the project for a while and stays committed to it. It already survived the initial stage, the initial years where some projects actually already go bankrupt. Then he was chief technology officer. He worked at a lot of cybersecurity roles. He worked at really the big accountancy firms. He worked at big banks. So he worked at Ernst & Young. He worked at PwC. And for the bank, it's HSBC. He worked for BP. And then he also worked for the government as a security lead, Ministry of Justice, UK. He was also the chairman of the NSW Government Security Council. So all with all, he has experience from the same field, but in different sectors. So this is why he probably has a network of people from public and private sector that he might be able to sell this product of Quant. Then we go to other partners that he works with. You already saw that he works together, or they work together with Oracle and with Amazon. But they also work here with SIA as a well known high tech Italian company which provides innovative solutions for banking and finance sectors. So, this partnership is really aiming for banking and finance. The two companies have entered an agreement with the goal of integrating the SIA chain infrastructure into Quant Overledger to develop DLT based. Then there is Oracle, as I already mentioned. Oracle is the world's largest database company offering software and technology, cloud engineering systems, and enterprise software products. This move enables Quant to benefit from Oracle's expertise in product and marketing, as well as their world class mentoring program and curriculum. But last but not least, engage with their global base of more than 430,000 customers. So now Oracle is able to sell to their customers a solution for interoperability of blockchains. Then the LAC chain. So this partnership between Blockchain and Quant will use Overledger for established banking partners to benefit from an interoperability structure for fast, easy cross border payments and implementing different use cases through the region by using tokenized currency. Then there is Amazon. Amazon Web Services provides scalable, low cost cloud platforms powering businesses in 190 countries. Quant has the status of technology partners as part of Amazon AWS Partner Network, a global partner program. So this is just a partner program. So Quant will be just one of the many. And I'm pretty sure that Amazon works with multiple blockchain solutions, although I don't know a direct competitor of Quant that offers the same type of technology of blockchain interoperability through a type of API connection. And then we have Hyperledger that might be well known as well. Hyperledger is an umbrella project of open source blockchains and related tools, which enables business to build industry specific applications and using distributed ledger technology. So Hyperledger is more or less a group that really tries to put together tech developers and companies that need this tech, and mostly in the blockchain space. Then we go to the Twitter page. This is the Twitter page. As you can see, they have 86,000 followers, which is not a lot, but hey, some projects grow slow, some go fast, and they immediately have the right channels and the right followers and the right community. They have been active. They post a couple of news facts every day. The engagement is not very high. As you can see, there is 131 likes here, 24 people shared it. Here, then, there is 300 likes and 56 people shared it. So the engagement is not huge. But in the end, this company is aiming more for businesses and governments. And you don't find those really on Twitter or any other platform. So those connections are mostly done offline by meetings and certain events. Then we go to Quant itself, because why would you own Quant? Like, we haven't really seen the utility of this coin. So Quant is going to be the token in order to build maps on Quant. So maps are applications on top of the APIs that you, in order to run and in order to set up, you need Quant. So for partnerships and interested parties, Quant is a very interesting coin to have. There is only a limited supply of 14.6 million, so the market cap is quite low, even lower than Bitcoin itself. It's currently ranked at place 78, but a very interesting fact is it's down 75% since the all-time high. So that might give you a good entry point. So you're able to buy this at a 75% discount. Always do your own research. I'm just saying this. Then you can see they had a very slow grow actually in the beginning, which is possible because you're developing, you're testing, and they really hit their peak in September 2021. And the growth spurt actually started in June, July. They're available on a lot of marketplaces. If I check other people's YouTube videos and older videos, they were always complaining that Quant was not available on a lot of marketplaces. Well, now they are available nearly anywhere. So they are on Binance, they are on Kraken, on Gemini, they're on Gate.io, Bitvavo, Bitrue, Qcoin. So they're available nearly everywhere. Crypto.com. So they've definitely improved their position in the marketplaces. Then let's go to TradingView, where we analyze the price even deeper. You can see that I drew this triangle. This one is in red, so it's not very visible for you. But this means that we are currently really on the bottom. We are currently on the lowest price since July 2021. It already bounced off in January 2022, and it might do the same. So I'm just saying we can never have a 100% guarantee. So with that said, I predict that the price will be at least 400 because that's the all-time high, but could go 10x from here. I predict a price with the next bull cycle that it might hit $900 per coin. So with that said, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or any recommendations, please leave the comments below. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.